In any organization that relies on equipment, facilities, or infrastructure, maintenance isn't optional, it's mission critical. Whether you're managing a manufacturing plant, hospital, school, or utility network, staying ahead of repairs and maintenance requests is essential for minimizing downtime, extending asset life, and ensuring compliance. That's where Maintenance Connection, a CMMS by Accruent, comes in. Maintenance Connection provides a centralized, cloud based platform to plan, track, and optimize all your maintenance activities. It's built for technicians, facility managers, and asset supervisors looking to simplify work orders, streamline preventive maintenance, and gain better visibility across operations. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential features of Maintenance Connection, explore the benefits of each, and explain why it remains a go-to CMMS solution for organizations across a wide range of industries. So for its key features and benefits, first is the work order management. Maintenance Connection makes it easy to create, assign, and monitor work orders from start to finish. You can include detailed task descriptions, priority levels, attached documents, and estimated labor times. Technicians can update the status in real time via desktop or mobile. This centralizes task tracking, reduces paperwork, and ensures everyone is aligned. Managers can monitor backlogs, technicians can focus on execution, and nothing slips through the cracks. Another key feature is the preventive maintenance scheduling. You can create automated maintenance schedules based on calendar dates, meter readings, or usage thresholds. Recurring tasks are auto-generated, helping your team stay ahead of potential equipment failures. Preventive maintenance helps reduce emergency repairs, extend asset lifespan, and improve compliance with safety and regulatory standards. It keeps your facility running smoothly with fewer surprises. Another key feature is the asset management. The system maintains a full history of your assets, including location, service records, warranty details, and condition tracking. Each asset is linked to work orders and preventive schedules, giving you a complete picture at any time. With comprehensive asset records, you can identify high cost equipment, plan replacements more accurately, and make smarter budgeting decisions. Another key feature is the inventory and parts tracking. You can track spare parts, tools, and supplies across multiple stock rooms. Maintenance Connection allows you to set minimum thresholds, receive automatic reorder alerts, and associate parts with specific work orders. This helps avoid delays due to missing parts and ensures you're always prepared. It also improves cost tracking and reduces excess inventory waste. Another key feature is the reporting and analytics. You can generate detailed reports on maintenance KPIs like response time, downtime, technician productivity, and asset performance. Dashboards can be customized to highlight critical trends and support executive decision making. With accurate data and visual insights, Your team can measure efficiency, identify bottlenecks, and continuously improve maintenance strategies. So, why is Maintenance Connection a great choice? Maintenance Connection combines the power of a robust CMMS with a user-friendly interface that suits both field technicians and office staff. It's highly configurable, meaning it can adapt to the unique needs of industries like healthcare, education, manufacturing, and government facilities. In 2025, Maintenance Connection continues to stand out due to its mobile accessibility, cloud-based reliability, and deep integration capabilities. It works well alongside other systems like ERP or building management software, ensuring your maintenance data doesn't live in a silo. Organizations appreciate its scalable design, which means you can start small and expand usage across departments or multiple facilities. Plus, Accruent's customer support and training resources help teams get up and running quickly. By combining strong preventive tools, real-time updates, and reliable reporting, Maintenance Connection empowers maintenance teams to take a proactive, strategic approach rather than reactively chasing problems. So basically, efficient maintenance operations require more than spreadsheets and paper forms. They need structure, visibility, and automation. Maintenance Connection delivers all three in a centralized platform that supports maintenance teams at every level. From work order tracking and preventive maintenance to inventory and asset performance, Maintenance Connection gives you the tools to stay organized, reduce costs, and make smarter decisions. Whether you're getting started with CMMS or looking to upgrade from outdated systems, it's a powerful and scalable solution to meet your facility's needs in 2025 and beyond. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.